Compliance is not just an audit problem, it is a daily operational load. For many RTOs, compliance still lives across spreadsheets, folders, emails, and memory. Evidence takes too long to find. Risks are tracked manually. Standards mapping is hard to maintain. Audit preparation disrupts normal delivery. ComplyHub changes how compliance is handled. It brings standards mapping, risk registers, evidence management, and workforce compliance into one platform. Everything connects, nothing relies on guesswork. Compliance managers see live dashboards, map standards, and open risks. Trainers access only the evidence they need to maintain. Administrators track obligations without chasing people. The system stays audit ready every day, not just before a visit. We are running a live ComplyHub demonstration. Wednesday, 21st January 2026, 12 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. This is not a slide deck, this is not theory. You will see the platform in use, real workflows, real compliance tasks. Watch how evidence is uploaded, linked, and approved. See how risks are logged and reviewed. See how standards stay mapped as documents change. Ask questions during the session. Get clear answers from the team. If you manage RTO compliance, this session is built for you. Register now and see how compliance can stay controlled, visible, and audit ready all year.